Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is all about how to download Waze application in your mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss any update from us. Let's begin the video. In order to download Waze application, go to the Play Store if you are Android user, and if you are iPhone user, go to the App Store. Here you can see the search box and type in Waze application. Now you can see the install button. Tap the button. Waze is a community-driven GPS navigation app which is free to use and download. It was developed by the Israel company. While downloading or installing the app, make sure to have a stable internet connection. Waze is one of the most popular pieces of software for the drivers to download. To know more about this app, you can see the description. You can see ratings and reviews as well. To operate this app, you need to log in or sign in your account. After that, you can easily use this application. So this is how you can quickly download Waze application in your mobile phone. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any feedbacks or comments, you can comment down in the comment section below. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.